In this video, I will show you how to connect domain to Wix. So in order to do that, what you can do first is to head over right here to your home page, and then you can see in here your own domain. So this domain right here is actually provided by Wix. So if you want to connect your own domain, you can head over and click on this connect domain option just beside it. After you have done that, this will prompt you to in this new page right around here that will actually allow you to prompt or connect your domain altogether. So we have in here this. So for example, just head over and then put in here what you want as your domain. So for example, let's put in here Tiara Store. Click on this. Let's go right here in order to search for that. And then as you can see right here, this actually is taken. So you can head over and put in here another domain, just like this one. It can be .net, .org, .biz, or anything that you can see on this list right around here. So for example, let's choose in here this trstores.biz. Click on this get it right here. And then once you have done that, you should be able to upgrade right here. You can get the domain for free with a premium plan, or you should also be able to buy this domain only. Click on continue right around here, and then this will prompt you to the domain purchase. And once you have purchased it, you should be able to connect this domain right here to your Wix website.